Look what happened, guys. It sealed it so much that it held the power button. And that's crazy. And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in that video. And today we're gonna do a new episode. It's called Will It Vacuum Seal? Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So today we're gonna do a vacuum seal, but we have no idea. We don't have a vacuum seal here or anything like that. So today we're gonna unbox one. So here we go. This one is from Calmdo Automatic Vacuum Sealer Machine by Calmdo. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you how well it could do. Normally you guys know that you can vacuum seal food. This is a tech channel, by the way. So we're gonna go ahead and ask you, will it vacuum seal? We're gonna have a bunch of tech stuff right here and we will see if we will be able to vacuum seal this. Here we go. Boom! Let's go ahead and unbox this. The big guy right here. Big guy. First up, of course, the vacuum seal bags right there. Cord right there. It also has instruction manual right there. And then let's take this out. There you go. Tube thing. Let's put this on the side. Don't need that anymore. Let's take out the sides here. There we go. What do you guys think of that? It actually looks beautiful, right? So here you will see the touch controls up there. You can use that to cut the plastic right there. On the side, there's a external vacuum slot right there. On the back, you will see the power adapter slot right there. Power button right there. Turn it on and off. And the drip tray right here. You'll be able to have different sauces and things that are just gonna drip. It'll just go in there. It says on the instruction it'll fit about 70 mils of liquid in there. And so here it is. We have a few stuff here that we can vacuum seal. So today we're gonna go ahead and vacuum seal each one and see which one can be vacuum sealed and which one cannot. So let's go ahead and show you how to do this. Basically, you just take the sealer, the plastic thing that they gave you. There you go. Insert it right there. Take what you need. Let's just say we do a simple one right here. Let's do the earbuds right here. So it's about the right size right here. You just size it up. And then you go ahead and cut it with the cutters that they provided right here. And there you go. It's able to cut it nice and easy. Let's put this away now. Once you finish cutting it, make sure to hit the seal button. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and insert it on the bottom, like so. And then it'll automatically do it for you. As you can see, it automatically comes out, and once it comes out, it's already sealed. That's pretty cool. It's a bit hot. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and test this out. Yes, it's very good. It's sealed. So now let's go ahead and hit normal or soft mode for dry goods. If you're using a moist fruits or anything that is moist or wet, make sure to hit the wet button. So today we're just gonna use the dry button. Obviously, we're just gonna test out the earbuds right here. Let's take it out of the case as well, right? And we're gonna go ahead and seal this guy. There you go. See how well it does. Once it's inside the bag, all we need to do is put it back to the sealer like that. And then as you can see, it'll start to vacuum out the bag. There you go. And then it'll automatically seal it as well. That's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It's quite, yeah. It does everything. It's automatic. You don't have to do anything. There you go. It's gonna come out, spit it out, and it's all sealed. Look at that. Our earbuds are sealed. Very nice. There you go. What do you guys think of that? Pretty good, right? Even the little guys, it's quite sealed in there. Very nice. So let's put that on the side for now, and let's do another one. So let's do a bigger item now. What we'll do again is go up here, bring this up, and then we're just gonna feed it through. Let's see, we can size up what we need. Let's go with a bigger guy like this. A little bit complicated, right? So I'm just gonna leave it like that and size it up. Okay, it looks good. So we're just gonna cut it like so. We're gonna hit seal up there, and then we're gonna feed. And there you go. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Pretty good. Takes it out right there. It's all sealed. Let's test it out first. There you go. Very nice. Now let's put our transmitter in there. And then let's go ahead and hit normal or soft. Doesn't matter. We're just gonna go with normal. And then we're gonna feed it again. And then it'll do this thing. Oh, I love this thing. It works so well, it's not even funny. And then it'll even spit it out for you. There you go. So what do you guys think of that? Sealed all the way. Even the back right here. Very nice, right? Now even if you stretch that out, it's pretty good. Nothing coming out of it. Right now we're going to show you guys how the external vacuum sealer works. But in this case, you need to have a container for it, and we don't have a container. So what we could do, just show you, is how it's attached. So basically it comes with this tube right here. This is the one that goes into the container right here. This part right here will go into there. And then the tip right here will go into the Calmdo side. Just like that. There you go. Once that happens, you just place this to the container, and then it'll vacuum seal that container. Let's go ahead and do another one. You know, most people use this as well for sealing their phone when they are, if they want to waterproof their phone, if they're gonna go canoeing or something like that. What you could do is use, place your iPhone in there, in the vacuum seal, and seal it up. We're gonna test it out today and see if it actually works. Of course, if it's inside the vacuum sealer, we want to be able to use the phone still. So let's go ahead and do that. So first, we're gonna go ahead and cut the right amount, just enough for our phone. We don't want it too big, right? And then let's cut it. There you go. Let's place our phone here. Let's make the clear side of the would be the front side of the phone, so we could still click through it. Reality check, we can, before sealing it, we can test it out. As you can see, our phone still works. That's very good. The Face ID doesn't work though. So once we have our phone on the bag, let's go ahead and feed it through. Hit normal right there. And then feed it through. Now unfortunately, it wasn't able to suck all the air out. Let's test it out if it's waterproof now. So we have our running water here. We're just gonna put our phone in there. Let's see if it's totally sealed. We're gonna go ahead and seal this as well. and have it all submerged. There you go. It actually doesn't look like there's water inside. That's pretty cool. It doesn't look like it's bubbling or anything like that. I kind of wish that it was able to suck all the air out though. But yeah, it's actually doing so well. I don't think there's water inside. What do you guys think? So we have our phone here, still kind of wet. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see if it's actually wet. Of course, this experiment wouldn't work if our phone is wet, right? It doesn't look like it, so that's pretty cool. So there you go. Dry hands right here. Just gonna grab it without touching any of the water because the bag is still wet. There you go. And the phone is completely dry aside from it touched the back, but yeah, it's completely dry. That's pretty cool. So it does actually work. So take note, if you are gonna go canoeing and you don't want your phone to get wet, put it on a vacuum seal. You could still use your phone. You won't be able to use Face ID or anything like that, or maybe Touch ID, but your phone will be completely dry after that, even if you submerged it underwater. It's pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and do the potato head. I know you guys are excited to put the potato head in there. So let's go ahead and do the potato head. Here you go. Let's see how big we need to go. Let's cut that up. To go, let's hit seal. And then let's feed this through. There you go, good to go. Let's throw in the potato head in there. See how well it could do. Got the lightsaber and everything, right? Let's hit normal and then feed it through. There you go. That vacuum as well is so powerful. Like, you have no idea. This is really stretching out the potato head in there. There you go. As you can see, it's super sealed in there. It's not going anywhere. Now let's keep going with the camera. That is powerful. It was able to lift the camera off the table pretty much. That's pretty good. And there you go. Yeah, that's super sealed, right? So here it is, the last test. We're gonna do a stuffed toy. The stuffed toys are mushable, right? So you can squish it however you like. So we're gonna see if the vacuum sealer is strong enough to squish this to as small as it can. So let's test this out. You're about to get it, man. This is it. About to get vacuum sealed. What do you think of that? Ready to go? Let's place the Mr. Squirrel in there. Feed this, hit normal, and then feed it through. I'm not gonna touch it. I really want to squish it and see how small we can get it, but I want to test out how the vacuum can do it by itself. It's actually doing so well. Very nice, very nice. And there you have it, guys. Yeah, it really squished it pretty good. Like, there's some in the head that was kind of missed, but this whole thing is like just squished to bits, man. There's just nothing there anymore. That's crazy. I'm really stubborn. I really want to seal my phone in there and vacuum seal. I don't want the one that we got earlier. This time we won't cut it. We'll just have it like long like this. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, I finally did it. It just takes a bigger bag. Look what happened, guys. It sealed it so much that it held the power button. And that's crazy. Yeah, so there you go. You'll be able to vacuum seal your phone. It's pretty good, actually. And you can still use it. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on how to find the best vacuum sealer. For me, the Calmdo one is doing so well. We're able to vacuum seal a lot of stuff toy like this. Even our phone is waterproof now. Now you can even get You can literally anything here. I'm quite amazed. Go ahead and grab yourself one on the link down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell for the next videos to come. Hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace. I love it. Oh, it's waterproof too. Amazing.